Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are cash stuffing $400. This is the second week of April and that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna start out the video with an unpopular opinion as always. So today's unpopular opinion is running is an enjoyable hobby. Yes or no? Comment below, let me know. For me, I hate running. So running is not enjoyable for me at all. Point blank, period. I don't know. I just can't enjoy running. It's like, why would I even do that to myself? Like, I get that you can lose weight fast and all that, but oh my god. Like, I'll walk. I'll do the 12 3:30. I will walk. But when it comes to running, hell to the no. I'm not running. No ma'am, no sir. Let me know below if you enjoy running. It's a good hobby for you or not. Comment below. So today, as I said, we are stuffing $400 and we have so far this week $60 that we've received in tips from our clients. Well, my clients. And I have, this is $340, which has been or is the balance of what they have paid for their services for the clients that I've received for this week. So let's get to counting the cash. Sorry guys, my battery just died, but let us get right into the stuffing. So I think I want to zoom in just a little bit because sometimes my camera be losing focus for some reason. Alright, so let's count the cash. We have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 350. So we have 350. Why is this bent? Ugh, I don't like my bills are bent. And then we have, what we said, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. So we have $400 that we're stuffing. Alright, so out of the $400, $340 is going towards the bills binder because majority of the amount that I have is from balances from my clients. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you would have known that anytime I have balances from my clients' services, those balances goes to bills. So let's stuff bills. Are we putting anything in my rent? Yes, I am. I can't do it like you guys who split it in half, your rent in half, and do one paycheck, the other paycheck, because that's not how I get my money. I am an entrepreneur, so my income is all over the place for the month. So I just do it the way it works for me. I just put an amount to all of them until I get to my total that I want to get to. So in rent today, I'm gonna add $100 to rent. I mean, it's what, April, today's what, April the 14th, 15th, I don't know. So we still have time to go. So we're gonna add $100 to rent. So I put the 50 there and I'm just gonna take out the two 20s and a 10. Why did I put the 50 in there first? What's wrong with me? I feel like I would eat some Haitian food today. I don't know, them Haitians be busting down lately. So I've been feeling like I want to eat Asian food. Next we have utilities. We're putting $30 in my utilities today. Normally it's 60 and I'm just gonna split that in half. Why is it so low, you might wonder? Well, my boyfriend and I split the bill and we only pay electric. so we don't really pay water and stuff like that because that's all covered where I live. So that's why. So 60 is what I normally pay, so I'm putting down $30 for utilities. Next up is phone bill. And for phone bill, my phone bill is $120. I'm gonna put half down today. So I have 20, 40, 60. I'm gonna put down 60 for phone bill. Okay, for car insurance, my car insurance is $300. I know, right? Crazy. So today I'm putting on half of that $300 for car insurance, which is $150. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 140, 150. So let's recount that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So 150 is what we're putting down for car insurance. We have to pay that thing, right? Alright, and then that's all that I'm putting down for the bills binder today, because I do have car payment, but this amount comes from another side gig that I have, so I haven't got paid from that as yet, so that's why we're not doing the car payment today. But yeah, that's it for bills. And then we have $60 remaining, so 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so remaining 60 is going towards sinking funds and savings challenges. So let's do sinking funds first. So for sinking funds, we are adding $5 to Christmas. So let's see how much we have in Christmas. Let's add the 5 and total it. So we have 20, 40, 60. Oh, what? 20, 40, 50, 55. And we're adding 5 to Christmas. We make Christmas 60. So $60 in Christmas right now. Next, we are adding $10 to birthdays. My boyfriend's birthday is coming up, so I've been trying to add when I can to birthdays. So right now in birthdays we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 135, and we are adding $10. So we make that 145 for birthdays. Next up, we're adding to my mom, and we're adding $10 for mom. So let's go into mom's folder and see how much money she has currently. 20, 40, 60, 80, and we're adding $10 to her. So we have 90. So mom has $90 at the current moment. Next, we have self-care. We're adding $5 to self-care today. So let's see how much money we have in self-care at this current moment. Right now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $110 to self-care, and we are adding 5. Makes it 115 in self-care. Next, we are adding to car maintenance. In car maintenance, we have $20, and we're adding $5 to car maintenance. Yes, yes, yes. I just started these two a few days ago, by the way. And then last but not least, we are adding $10 to travel, because you know your girl want to travel. So for travel, we currently have, whoopsie, I left a $10 behind. For travel, we currently have $30, and we're gonna add $5 to travel, make it $35. Not trying to travel anytime soon, but hey, better I start racking up from now. I had to turn up my brightness a little bit. I feel like the video was a little low. too late now, right? Because it's almost over. Dang it. So that's it for sinking funds, and now we have $20 left that we're supposed to add to our saving challenge. So let's head on into our challenges binder and let us add $20 to our $300 saving challenge that we are almost complete. Like that we have almost completed. So let's see how much money we have in a $300 challenge now, and let's add our $20. So we currently have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. Okay, so that's 210, 20. So we currently have $220 in our $300 savings challenge, and we are adding $20. So we have $240. OMG! Guys, I just started this challenge for the month of April, and I'm almost done. So let me shade in the little $20 heart, because I just put $20 in there. We're gonna shade that heart, shade that heart, shade that heart. Oh, it feels good. It feels so good to shade the heart. So right now we could get rid of our little acrylic container because we have already finished using that. And let's put back our little paper in our little binder. And savings challenge is almost complete. 3 more boxes to go, and we are there. Amazing. My 500 is already complete as well. So the next up is $200 challenge, and I feel like this should be easy. I really do, and it's all 10s, so I'm sure we'll get there. So let's finish this first before we go talking about other challenges. So that is it for the stuffing today. Stuffed $400. That's it. It's gone, stuffed away, can't mess with it, yada yada yada. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have started to budget, and I hope that you are stuffing away your cash as well and not just sitting here watching me go. But thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.